today we have to install the blinds, all the windows. Boom. That's how you install blinds with Nikos Property Show. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Nikos Property Show. Very exciting stuff happening. We are on the final stretch of absolutely everything on my entire new house build. But today we have to install the blinds. All the windows are open. We are actually furnished. I don't want to show you all that stuff in this video. That has nothing to do with this video. The entire house is furnished, so you can go check that out in a different video. But right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 boxes of blinds that I need to get installed throughout the entire house. So we're gonna jump in. I went to Home Depot and got these done, and what they do is they actually cut them down. So you measure what the actual window size is from the inside of the casing, go over there, tell them what size it is, and they get it cut down for you pretty darn good. So here's what they look like. They turn out pretty darn awesome. I love them. Pretty simple to install. I've never actually done it on my own, so this is a first time for me. I've been trying to do some DIY stuff, save some money. It's actually costing me a little bit more money doing it myself on some other stuff, but that's all right. This is actually pretty simple. You got the hardware in here. Get the clips put onto that window casing on the top part, clip it in, get this thing in here, and these are pretty darn awesome because look how they work. Boom, and then when they go back up, gone. That's pretty darn cool. Very satisfying right there. Let me put you to sleep again. Boom, and wait a minute. Boom, not as smooth the second time. Anyways, enough talking. We're gonna start installing these. Can't wait to finally get these up because people can't see in my house in the middle of the night. Check out the window right there. We're gonna start here in the living room. Very excited to get this done. Like I said, if you wanna see the house furnished, go check that out in a different video, but I gotta get these things hung real quick. So anyways, let me get to work. Y'all keep watching. Alrighty, y'all, so we are moving on to the third bedroom that I've done blinds in so far. Actually, I did the kitchen, so this is the fourth bedroom. And we are going to just show you real quick on how this actually goes in. It's pretty easy. You've seen it on the time lapse, but I wanted to just show you it's actually more simple than I thought it was. I didn't realize that it was literally just 4 screws and it pops in. It used to be a lot more difficult than that, and I didn't really know how to do it until I actually got this box of it. So anyways, it's pretty darn cool to see how this actually comes to life, and we will be able to show you right here. So first things first, I always do this just to make sure I have the right size cut, and you want to make sure it fits inside. And this one, uh-oh, we might not fit. It might need to get trimmed down. Well, that's unfortunate. Uh-oh. Or are we good? Nope. Too tight. This one's got to get trimmed down. So we're going to jump over to a different room. Alrighty, y'all, so here we are in the pantry. Like I said, first things first, make sure it fits, and this one actually does fit. So that's perfect. It'll be able to go up and down. So it's going to be nice, and I tried to get it as tight as possible, but still in a place where everything looks good. So we'll get this opened up real quick. Usually have a knife on me, but of course when I'm trying to film, I don't have a knife on me. So we're going to use a screw to get this popped open. Here we go. Get that box open, use all the hardware. They always put way too much stuff that you end up never using. I don't know, maybe that's just the way I do stuff, where you just got way too much. But anyways, you get 4 screws right here. Gonna take this out real quick. I use the 4 little ones that they actually have. You take these 2 clips and you grab the drill, which is right behind me. And then basically, this is all you're doing. So you're gonna line it up. Make sure you got the same spacing on both sides, because this is where it actually clips in at. Get your actual screw all nice and put on the drill, and then find yourself a hole right here, and then you just start screwing. Boom. Just like that. And we're gonna knock out the second one. Won't take too long here. Boom. That's done. Get the second clip. 2 more small screws. And here we go. Get this put on here. Put this on here, same spacing. And screw away. Boom. Second screw. And this is a pretty cool process because you'll see how the actual blinds just go on. Boom. That's that. Grab the blinds, move them down just a little bit so you can get these out of here. And they slide out pretty easy, just for extra protection. And let's see, move that around a bit, get them out. Let's see how this works out. Let's see if I'm a professional blind installer. You want to do the front first. Here we go. You hear that snap? And look at that. Boom. Then you get this little right here, this stick here, push this up into there, and voila. The pantry is now secure. That's how you install blinds with Nikos Property Show. However, make sure you subscribe, comment, like, and get your merch at NikosPropertyShow.com. Use code Nico for 10% off your entire order. All right, let's go do another room. All right, y'all, so I actually had to pop them off real quick. I forgot to put these little clips on that actually hold the little exterior that covers up this top part. So you literally just clip them on like that. Then we'll go back to installing the actual blinds. Boom, pop in. Then you have this little trim piece that goes literally along the top that makes that look nice. And that's literally, oh, hold on. Wait a second, too rough. Boom. Just like that. Go down the blinds. And I love these because they come down by themselves, go up by themselves, and they stay by themselves. Close it up. You got great shade. Open them up. You got great sunlight. Now we'll finally go into the next room. Alrighty, y'all, so I just wanted to drop this video real quick and show you how to install blinds, because if you're ever doing a DIY project and you're trying to get this thing done, it's not as hard as you think. So if you want to change out your blinds, that is literally how you do it. Everything I showed you in the video, I mean, it's not that difficult as long as you have like a power tool, a power drill, or anything like that, and a ladder. You're pretty darn good. You'll be in good shape. But anyways, if you did enjoy this video, make sure you like and subscribe, and make sure you follow me on all social platforms, especially Instagram, if you want some behind the scenes sneak peek pictures and stuff like that. But without further ado, smile more, worry less, and stay blessed. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.